So here's a day in the life of a paintless dent repair technician. So these dents, believe it or not, can be repaired at your home, office, whatever the case may be, without having to repaint your vehicle. We can get them back to their factory pre-loss condition. And it's quite a process. It's we use different methods. As you're seeing here, this is what's called glue pulling, and glue pulling allows us to really kind of bring the dent up in kind of a rapid fashion, allowing us to get behind the panel next and just do some metal manipulation from the backside. You can see some outwards metal manipulation as well, as you're seeing here. This is basically just a knockdown, knocking the metal back into position, and here's the end result. A lot of people don't realize that insurance companies will actually pay for these repairs, as they are keeping your vehicle 100% original. A lot of customers prefer to use this method over traditional paint and body shop methods because, as we mentioned, it's the original factory paint, and the original factory paint is by far the most resilient and best paint coat that you'll ever receive. So here's a Toyota that we're also working on. This is an insurance-paid job, and it was very close to conventional repair in terms of cost. But we were able to save the original paint. It has a little bit of a nick in the paint there from the initial impact, but the customer is totally okay living with that. If you have any further questions about paintless dent repair, please give us a call, 386-216-5185. Thanks for watching.